Hello, magandang araw po sa inyo mga kalagalag. Ito na naman po ang inyong lagalag na guro at nandito po tayo ngayon isa-isa pa sa isang trick and tips sa pagkuha ng square root in 10 seconds. So we will not be dealing with small numbers like square root of 25, square root of 36. We all know that already. But we will be dealing with large numbers. Okay, today I will teach you how to get the square root of those perfect squares without using your calculator. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I have here square root of 3,364. So basically, mahirap po yan kung manual natin gagawin or sa isip lang natin. So di yan kagaya ng division na i-divide mo lang. Pwede mo nang kunin, pero ito mahirap po yan. So what is the technique? So basically, may konting effort tayong gagawin para magawa po natin to. So alam lang natin yung mga perfect square at least 1 to 9. At least 1 to 9. So for example, our numbers 1 to 9, ang perfect square niya po is 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 4, 16, 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 7 is 49, 8 times 8 is 64, 9 times 9 is 81. At least yan po memorize natin. And from this, you get the square root, which is ang answer po ito. Square root of 1, 1. Square root of 4, 2. Square root of 9, 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 64 is 8. Then square root of 9 is 9. Square root of 81 rather is 9. So then we write the last digit of your square. So for example, last digit of 1, of course, isa lang siya 1. 4, 4, 9, 9. So last digit of 16 is 6. Last digit of 25 is 5. Last digit of 36 is 6. Last digit of 49 is 9. Last digit of 64 is 4. And last digit of 81 is 1. So how to get the square root of this certain number without using your calculator? So let's start. First, you look at your last digit of your square root. So if you notice, this is 4. Okay, so this is 4. So what you will do is you look for your last digit which has 4. So it has 4. So 64 has 4. So from there, punta kayo sa square, then you get the square root of this. Okay, you get the square root of that. Okay, your answer will be square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so you can also do this in mind or manually. Actually, you will compute din naman. Pero, unlike before na ang hirap-hirap, ngayon this is basic. Then, square root of 4 is 2, then square root of 64 is 8. So, your last digit yung last digit nyo po can be 2 or 8. Okay, then after that, after identifying your last digit, which can be 2 or 8, burahin po natin yung last 2 digits here. Okay, we erase that. Then we proceed to 33. So, how will you use 33? You look at your table again. Then you look at your second row or where the square is located. Then you look for a number which has greater than or equal to 33 that has a perfect square. Less than or equal to. So it cannot be 36 because 36 is greater than 33. So what's next? Yung lower than, which is 25. Right? Okay? Right? Okay? Yung 33, you will look at your second row, then locate a number that has a perfect square which is less than 33, and that is 25. You get the square root of that, your answer is 5. So actually, whatever you get here is your first digit in your answer. Okay? So sulat na natin para hindi natin makalimutan. So what will you do next to 5? What will you do is to multiply that to a number which is one point higher than than that number. So, ano bang kasunod ng 5 sa number line natin? Di ba? 6, right? 6. So, the answer will be, you multiply that, 5 times 6 is 30. So, medyo long method, pero practice makes perfect. So, you practice it. So, 33, we will compare this 33 to, this 30 to 33. So, anong silbi po? So, we will compare. So, ito ang basis natin, which is 33 is greater than 30. Right? 33, ulitin ko, 33 is greater than 30. Right? So, therefore, ang gagamitin nyo po between 2 or 8 is the one na mas mataas. And that is 8. Okay? Okay? So, your answer is 58. So, the square root of 3364 is 58. So, let's try and check using, of course, our calculator. So, our calculator. So, square root of, okay, I'm pressing it, 3364 is equal to, okay, so square root of 3364 is 58. Okay? So, nakuha po. Let's try one more problem para po malaman, ma-practice nyo. Okay? So, I'm thinking of a problem. Ang mata talaga, laging nag-iisip ng problem eh. So, square root of 4761. Okay? So, how is that? Paano po kaya yan, mga ma'am at sir? My dear students. So again, you will look at your last digit. So titingnan nyo po yung 1. So again, titingin po kayo sa table nyo kung ano yung may 1. So ito po yun, di ba? 1, 1. So titingin po kayo doon, you get the square root of 1 and you get the square root of 81. Right? Right? Yun ang rule. So, from that, you get that. Tingnan nyo yung sagot. Ayan yung sagot. So, your answer can be, your last digit can be 1 or 9. Okay? Nasusundan po ba? Okay? Then, after that, you erase this. You erase that. So, punta po kayo doon sa 2 digits na to. Sa 2 digits na yan. So, ano po yung number na greater than, less than or equal to 47 na may perfect square. Okay, tingin ka dun sa second row mo. So, andito siya, 49 and 36. You cannot use 49 because 49 is greater than 47. So, what you will be using is 36. Then, you get the square root of that, right? Your number, your first digit is 6. So, pwede na nating isulat yan dito. My first digit is 6. Okay? So, that's it. So, how about yung paano mo ma-identify kung ano mam yung katabi, 1 or 9? So, i-multiply natin saan nga to? Yung kasunod, 1 point higher than 6 is, of course, 7. Di ba? 7 po yun. So, 6 times 7 is 42. 42 po. Okay, what's next? Okay, what's next? So, identify nyo, compare nyo kung ano, i-compare nyo po siya dun sa 42. Okay, tama ba? 6 times 7, 6 times 6, 46, 6 times 7, 42. So, 47 ngayon, tingnan nyo na, compare nyo yung 47 sa 42. So, from that, 47, okay, is greater than 42. So, ano pong gagamitin nyo sa 1 and 9? yung mas mataas kasi mas mataas yung 47 sa 42. So, 47, ang gagamitin po nyo po yung 9. So, ayun. Ang answer nyo po ay 69. So, again, okay, we get the square root of, ano po yan? 4761. Okay. Ayun po. The square root of 4761 is 69. Okay? So, that's it. That's our trick and tips. Part of our trick and tips. Wait for other trick and tips para po matutunan nyo yung mga shortcuts sa math. So, thank you po sa pakikinig. Okay, yan po yung reference ko. Siyempre po, hindi ko po yan sariling gawa, but I'm teaching you how to do it so para po mas maintindihan nyo. So, okay? So, natututunan ko po yan sa hilig ko po sa numbers, saka yung ayoko nang nahihirapan ako, gusto ko po ma-share yun sa inyo, hindi rin kayo mahirapan. Okay? So, that's it. So, do not forget to subscribe po. Pero bago po kayo subscribe, at least watch. Naranasan ko po na na-spam po siguro or hindi po nako-consider ni YouTube na subscriber ko kayo. Kasi po, mataas na po ako, tas bumababa po siya. I don't know kung nag-unfollow po kayo or nag-unsubscribe, pero I will believe na na-spam po kayo kung sinasubscribe nyo agad without watching me. So, para hindi po kayo maburyong kung ayaw nyo po ng math, may iba naman po kayong choices para panoorin. Or, you just open it, do not watch it, hindi ko naman po kayo pinipilit. Pero I promise you, your kids or your high school kids will learn a lot from this channel. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you. Thank you po. Okay, so that is one picture taken in one of my trips. Marami po kasi akong trip, kaya po ako lagalag. So, in El Nido, Palawan. So, pagkatapos po ng lahat ng ito, I hope you visit our country kung nasa ibang bansa man kayo. Shout out po sa aking mga kaibigan, ang mga bear, si Medium, si Small, at si Large Bear, si Glory May, si Christy Delgado, and si Molin po ng Occidental Mindoro. Ayun po, shout out po sa inyo. And shout out din po kay Ma'am Ruth, kay Sir, kay Gigi, at sa aking inaanak at sa kapatid niya. Okay, salamat po. Mabuhay!